In this tutorial, we will walk through how to use MatchID to tag photos using facial recognition. To set up a roster, start by creating or selecting an organization from the Organization dropdown. Next, select New Category. Enter the category name, the subcategory, and the team or display name. The team or display name is used when you include a long-form version of a person's name in your metadata, such as Cameron Ellis, number 9 of State University. Once complete, click Save, then click into the subcategory. This is where you index the reference headshots that MatchID will match your photos against. In the drop zone that appears, drag in your reference headshots or click the drop zone to browse for them. Your reference headshots do not need to be studio portraits. Each one should show one person in focus and well-lit. Names are auto-populated if a headshot already has the person's name in the X.M.P Persons Shown field. If the photo shows a jersey number, O.C.R reads it and fills that in as well. Some jersey fonts are difficult to read, so review each card before you continue. You can edit the name, the jersey number, and the position directly on the card. When everything looks correct, click Index. Your headshots are processed, and your indexed roster loads in the window below. To add more reference headshots later, open the subcategory and use the Add from Headshots button in the top right. Visit the help page for more tutorials on how to use GalleryID Desktop.